All right, we begin with a live look out to the east on Interstate 94 towards, well, Moorhead. Right now, traffic a little on the heavy side, but it's loosened up a bit from the 5 o'clock hour. Your current conditions, well, it's been a cooler day and our northwest winds do continue. Right now, they're blowing at 10 miles per hour and we have a 75-degree temperature. Dew points are in the 40s. That's dry air. And dry air usually cools quickly under the conditions we're expecting tonight. 70 in Detroit Lake, 72 for Fergus Falls. And right now in Grand Forks, it's 76. Jamestown, you have 74, and we have low 70s across much of northwest Minnesota with dew points that are near 50 degrees as we look to the south and east, and the driest air over Devil's Lake right now with a dew point of 43 degrees. So temperatures can quickly fall towards those dew point temperatures on a clear and calm night. And here's a look at the clear part of it. Now our winds, what's going to happen to those? Your hour-by-hour forecast shows the winds are strongest from the valley off to the east and are about 10 to 20 miles per hour as a rule. As we go between now and setting this in motion 10 at 10, we'll expect those winds to subside primarily around sunset. Temperatures will slip, well, through the 70s and even through the 60s for some of us, already in the 50s by bedtime for many of us. Crystal clear skies overnight when that equates the or completes the equation for some rapid cooling. I think once again we'll have a couple of spots in the northern valley here where things have been dry. See temperatures in the mid and upper 40s start your day. Likewise, a few spots in northwest Minnesota. Likewise, upper 40s. The rest of us low to mid 50s as we begin the close of our work week. Tomorrow, the biggest difference we're going to notice is the wind direction won't be from the northwest. It shifts around and becomes southerly, and as that happens, we'll expect warmer conditions. Notice by the midday hour, we'll have a few more clouds in places like Ellendale and Lemoore, and maybe even out there towards Gwinner. As we go into the afternoon, there'll be a chance for a few thunder showers in that general vicinity. Most of us will stay dry, however, and temperatures, as you look at the colors here, when you see these deep reds, the heat is returning, but the heat returns to the western and central Dakotas. For us, we warm up over today's readings thanks to the south winds, and by the evening, any shower chances, well, they abate and head out to the south. We'll still be left with a few clouds in the area, however. So Fargo's hour-by-hour planner for your Friday. We start out with that crisp and comfortable 50-degree reading or so, ramping things through the 70s as we go through midday. Afternoon, we'll peak in those low 80s briefly and then quickly cool off once again. I do believe we'll see an increase in clouds after the midday hour and into the afternoon. Our chance of rain here in Fargo for a Friday, pretty low. It'll be better down to the south. Here's your hometown forecast. As we take a look out to the west, temperatures have a good shot at near 80 degrees for many in the west, although with the increase in clouds, Ellendale, Oaks, you may be in those mid 70s. Likewise for Jamestown. And out in Lakes Country, a lot of mid and upper 70s, light southwest winds. Not too bad. Speaking of Lakes Country, look at this one from Devil's Lake. Rick Craig capturing an absolutely gorgeous setting sun disk there. Planning forecast. All right, the weekend starts with a good chance of morning showers on Saturday, some afternoon sprinkles on Saturday. We'll stay in the mid 70s here in Fargo. A cool one, but fairly quiet on Sunday. Some late sprinkles into Monday are a possibility. Look at that, all those 70s on the 7-day planner as opposed to 80s. So a cooler stretch of weather with just a slight chance here and there of a sprinkle or two.
These are good days to get things done outside.
Yes.
Right?
Are you trying to say something?
Maybe
I have work to do.
That needs to be mowed, maybe.
I got a long list, yes.
Okay, up next.